This video will show you how to make two versions of this really simple and elegant happy birthday script card. One being sparkly, here shown on the left, and another one being really plain and simple. Both of these designs are really quick and easy and will surely impress any recipient. The supplies you'll need for this easy and quick card are a base for your card. Here again I'm using white cardstock, a pencil to draw out the design, and a pen of your choosing. Here I'm using quite a thin tip pen, which I'll link below, to actually draw out the design and trace over the pencil marks. You can choose any color you wish. Here I use blue. And then if you want to create the sparkly version of this card, you'll need some different rhinestones to add a bit of sparkle. I started by using a ruler to draw a straight line for where I wanted the base of my words to be. This also will ensure that your words happy birthday are straight and aren't slanted slightly. Then I used a pencil to draw in the script and the words themselves. And once you have the design drawn out in pencil, you're ready to start with your pen and simply just trace over what you had previously drawn out in pencil. Really simple and easy. So once you've traced over the pencil, this simple version of the card is done. You can choose to go back in again if you'd like the words and the script to be a little bit bolder, or you can leave it just like this, like I decided to. Another option, like I mentioned earlier, is to add a few rhinestones to the design. You can see here that I placed some different colored rhinestones randomly throughout the words and the various script kind of swirls, just to again add a little bit of extra sparkle and something different. You can see how just adding 5 rhinestones really changes the design of the card. And once you have those added in the positions that you'd like and glued on, this second sparkly version of the card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to create two different simple happy birthday cards.